Hi, this is Andy Wolfe, the pilot in command at Drone Brothers. Today we are going to talk about progress videos. Aerial video is by far one of the favorite tools that our clients rely upon the most. Our team brands the video with your company logo, your client logo, and we date stamp the video for the day of the flight. This footage is a fantastic tool to share with all stakeholders involved in the project. The final videos are stored safely in the cloud as MP4 files for you to be able to share with your team any way you'd like. We also publish all videos on vimeo.com for easy sharing. We create a collection for each of your projects, so you have one easy to remember URL to get access to every one of the videos. The videos can be made private or kept public for everyone to see. Contact Drone Brothers today about capturing progress videos at your job site.